Hi, this video is about the 2-year M.Sc program of VIT. I am currently pursuing my Masters in VIT Valor, discussing about the available courses, fee structure, facilities and placements. The available courses are M.Sc Physics, Chemistry, Data Science. These courses are available in VIT Valor, Chennai and EFE, whereas M.Sc Biotechnology, Biomedical Genetics, Applied Microbiology and Business Statistics is available only in Vellore campus. The last date for applying all these courses are May 22, 2026. They may also extend. For eligibility, please check the link in the description. The admission process is completely online. First, you have to pay 600 application fee. This course does not have any entrance. You have to upload your UG marks. Then a common rank list will be released. Then you will go for prioritizing the courses and choices of campus. N number of choices can be made. So, based on your rank, you will be getting one among the courses that you have chosen. The fee structure for M.Sc Physics and Chemistry is 60,000 per year. For M.Sc Biotechnology is 1,10,000 per year. For M.Sc Business Statistics, Data Science, Applied Microbiology and Biomedical Genetics is 80,000 per year. We have world-class faculties here. Honestly, the infrastructure, facilities and laboratories are more than what we pay. So less investment and more benefit. IT is meant for placements. If you are a person confused either to go for IT companies or core companies, then this is the right place for you. Because here, you'll be trying for both. And later you can choose which you're good. Placement training starts from the end of first year and from second year you can sit for placements. Soon I'll be making a detailed video of all these courses. So subscribe my channel. Also don't forget to like and share. Thank you.